Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Afifah Ikrimah from class 5BA. Today I want to tell you about data interpretations. So let us begin. Today I will explain about number one, understand risk. What is understand risk? It means that you have to understand different ways to best summarize data for data interpretation. And second, choose the right table or graph for the right data. And three, interpret data to consider the programmatic relevance. In our material, there are three steps for data interpretation, but I just want to explain it more, that summarizing data. So this is the one of steps for data interpretation. There are we can use two kinds for summarizing data. The first, tables, and the second, charts and graphs. For tables, when we use tables, this simplifies data to summarize data, because with the tables we have to more data. Depends on our need. And the second, data are presented as absolute numbers of percentage. And the last, charts and graphs. First, we will get visual representations of data, because because we use charts and graphs for summarizing data. And the second, data are presented as absolute numbers or percentage. Basic guidance when summarizing data. First, ensure graphic has a title. So when you use summarizing data, we have to use graphic as a title. So we know that we will know that how many percentage data present based on our needed. Second, label the components of your graphic. So in your graphic, you have to label the components. What are the components based on your needed. The third, indicate source of data with date. So when you get data, you have to note with the date, because it's so influential for source of data. The fourth, provide number of observation as a reference point. And the last, add footnote if more information is needed. Examples: tables, frequency distribution, set of secondary numerical counts. So for the formula, if you use tables for summarizing data, number of values with interval divided the number of values in the table, 100, and you can see the tables. This is this is the examples, yeah, from search US census data 1900 until 1929. If you use search and script, you have to use to portray reference, relationship, and comparisons, and the most informative are simple and self-explanatory. In charts and graphs, you will have three kinds of charts and graphs. There are bar charts, and in bar charts there are comparison and categories of data. Second line graph, there are display trends over time, and pie chart, so there are show percentage or proportion or share. This is the example of a bar chart covering categories. For research program records, age relief January 1009 until December 1009, Nigeria 1008. And this is line graph, yeah, line graph from this. Pie chart, yeah. So there are other examples of pie chart. So interpreting data is adding meaning to information by making connections and comparisons and exploring causes and consequences. So interpreting data have to relevance of finding, reasons for finding, consider other data, and conduct further research. Yeah. So for relevance of finding, the present data have to adding meaning to information by making connections and comparisons and exploring causes and consequences. So yeah, what is the indicator with the target? How far from the target is hit? How does it compare? And are there any extreme hikes and lows in the data? This is the examples of question to get interpretation data by relevance of finding. And the second, if you use this when you in this step distance for finding, you have to get supplemented with expert opinion and others with knowledge of the program or target population. And the third, yeah, like a reference of finding, has to making connections and comparison and exploring causes and consequences. And you have to get a situation analysis, demographic and health surveys, and performance improvement data. Yeah. And the last, conduct further research. Yeah, conduct further research. Yeah, it depends on question being asked and researches available in this step. Okay, thank you for the for this presentations. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.